How to log in Capital One Bank online account. So if you want to log into your Capital One Bank online account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Capital One online banking. And after searching here on the first search, you will have www.capitalone.com. Click on that. It will take you to the website, right? So you can go for sign in, which is here. So you can enter your username and your password here, or you can also go for sign in, which is here on the upper right. Click on that sign in. And now you need to enter your username on this first blank. And after entering your username, you need to enter your password here on this second blank. But if you forgot your username or if you forgot your password, then you will have your forgot username or forgot password options here. You can simply click on that and then you can reset or recover your username or your password. But if you remember, then simply enter it. And then if you want to save your login information, then click on Remember Me. But if you don't want to save it, then unclick it. Enter your information and click on sign in, and after clicking on sign in, your account will be logged in. So that's it. That's what you need to do to sign into your Capital One online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.